This next video is going to talk about how you activate the pool and the spa before you have it all connected to the app. So this is the manual procedure. So open up the panel. And in here you'll see, let's see if I can get close enough so you can see it. It'll show you that the current activity is the pool, and it is set to 76 degrees outside, and the pool is right now running at 72 degrees temperature. So that's kind of what's happening there. The only button in this whole panel that actually you have to touch is this one here that says V. So if you look up here on the panel, I'm going to hit V once. It'll activate and say, okay, someone's doing something, and if I press it again, you'll notice that it changed over to spa. When it does that, the valves automatically turn to make the water stop going back to the pool, and the return goes only to the spa. I'll now back up and show you that the water will now stop coming out of the spa, and it'll circulate only from within the spa. You can see it switching over now. And in about 30 seconds or so, it'll stabilize, and you can see the water is going to slow, and the water will now circulate only in the spa. And this is the time when you can start to heat it, and you'll only heat the spa. So I'll go back over now, and I'll show you how you turn the heater on as the water slows down and stops over in the spa there. Now once you have the app, you won't have to do this anymore, but for now, before you get the app, this is the way that you do it. So this cover comes up and off. You don't have to take it off, but you can. And you'll see here that the pool, the heater is set to off. So get a little closer. You can see the off up there, and it says the water temperature is at 73. So now if we push the mode button, it will now say the pool is set for 61 degrees Fahrenheit, and there's no demand because the water temperature is up at 73. If I press it again, it'll go off. If I press it one more time, it'll say spa is set for 103 degrees, and the water's at 73, so it says it's sparking. As soon as the spark fires up, there it goes. Now the heater is turned on. You can feel it immediately. You start feeling heat up here. And if we go back over to the spa, you'll see that the water is pretty much stopped, other than some splashing coming over the top of the edge there. And the spa is now heating. And it will stay like this, and it'll warm up. It'll take about half an hour to get from 73 up to 103. And then it'll stop at 103, and it'll stay there until you decide to turn off the pool or turn off the spa. The turn off procedure is exactly the same. You come back over to the spa, and this is really important. It's a thing you will most likely forget. Everybody does. Is they forget to turn this off. So in this case, we're going to push the mode button one more time, and you'll see it turned off with the water temperature at 74. So it already climbed 1 degree, and now this will sit just like it needs to. Simply put the cover back in place, and back to the panel, and now we'll push the V until we lose the spa control up top, and now it's switched to pool, and you'll see that the valves are now going to reverse back, changing the water so that it is sent back to the spa, but it takes it out of the pool, so that now you'll see the spa is going to start flowing over the top again and filling into the pool. And now I just close the door. I'll bring it back over here so you can see that the water has reversed, and now it's going to start coming over the top again. And there you can see the water's now flowing back the way that it was, and the heating has stopped. If you forget to turn off the heater, it will heat the pool to 103 degrees. So you don't want to do that unless you really want a warm pool and a very high gas bill.